Hello friends, this is Dr. Om Prakash Deshmukh. Today I am coming with a new video. This is particularly useful for intraday players and those who are trading in Bank Nifty. We can use this strategy on stocks also, but most of the time I use this on Bank Nifty. So here we use two moving averages. Like you can see, here I am applying the two moving averages from TradingView platform. Both are exponential one. The first will be 21 period exponential moving average. As you can see, I am applying here 21 period exponential moving average, and second one will be 34 period exponential moving average. Just to differentiate them, I will color 34 period moving average in the red color, and the 21 period moving average will be in the blue color. So this is the 15-minute time frame chart, as you can see in front of you, and this is the Bank Nifty chart. So you can see how the candles are taking support on this band, and after taking support they are moving up, and before that the 21 and 34 period moving average band was acting as a dynamic resistance. As we all know, moving averages generally acts as a dynamic support and resistance for the prices. We can use different moving averages like from 20 to 200. Every moving average has its own significance. So while using this strategy, we have to make sure that uh, make sure about the major trend of the market. Like if we are forming a series of lower high and lower low, this means we are in downtrend and we will look for the short entry on that time. You can use different tools and technique, like if the price is below 200 moving average, we can say it is in downtrend. So as you can see, it is clearly visible that we are in downtrend because we are forming series of lower high and lower low, and again the price is below both the moving average. So we'll look for the selling opportunity, shorting opportunity in this type of market. So as you can see here, we get the rejection candle which is having long upper wick. We can see it as a shooting star or dragon gravestone doji, and we will take the entry once the low of that candle will breach. So I will mark this candle so that it will be visible to you. Yeah, so I will mark this candle, and I will mark the low of that candle. That will be my entry point for the short sale. Whenever price will breach the low, I will enter short, and I will put stop loss above high of that candle. So now I am marking the low. My short entry will trigger on this candle as it has breached the low of that bearish candle which is having long upper wick. Long upper wick denotes supply. So this is a confirmatory candle that there is a supply from big money, or there is a bearish sign, and it will tell us that market can go down if the low of that candle will breach. This is our hypothesis while using this strategy. And you can see after breaching the low, price gone into some retracement, consolidation phase, and again it has given a very good fall. So after entering the short, we will take the target, our first target, as 1 to 1.5 or 1 to 2 in intraday. This I have discussed in my last video also, that I will book my 80% of the profit in 1 to whenever I will get 1 to 2 risk reward ratio. After downtrend, we will shift our trailing stop loss to the lower high which is formed after that candle. So I have marked with the green line that second lower high which is formed there, And if someone wants to ride the whole trend, he can just simply trail that stop loss with the lower high formations, or he can use any indicator like super trend to trail the stop loss. What I do is I will book my 80% of the profit with 1 to 2 RR, and rest I will keep trailing with lower high formation, or if the momentum is very strong, I will keep trailing my stop loss with high of the previous candle in case I have short sell the bank nifty. Again on second day you can see I have marked a doji candle here, and I will enter short once low of that doji breaches. Why I have chosen that doji candle? As you can see, market opens, first three candles were bearish, and after that it has given some retracement, but the day high has not breached, and price comes in the band which should act as a resistance. This was my hypothesis, and my confirmation for the short entry has come when the low of that candle, low of the doji, breach by this big red candle, as you can see here. So I will short bank nifty here. I will put my stop loss above the high of that previous doji candle. I will take 1 to 2 RR, here it will come, or I will trail my stop loss with high of each previous candle till the momentum is strong and I am getting big red candle, big bearish candles. I can be in the trade. So risk reward ratio can be considered or calculated as per risk appetite of the trader. Someone will like to take 1:1, someone will go for 1:1.5 or 1:2. And what I prefer is, if someone is taking trades or trading in multiple lots, he should book at least 70 to 80% quantity with 1:1.5 and or 1:2 risk reward ratio in intraday, because nowadays volatility is very high. You never know when the market can reverse. So this is one of the technique, one of the strategy I'm using for bank nifty intraday trades. There are many more strategies which we can use, and I'm not saying that this is the best one. Obviously we will have some stop losses also, but the beauty of this strategy is whenever the stop loss will hit, our stop loss will be very small, and whenever we will get the trending moves like we are getting from last 2 or 3 days, we can capture very uh, good points, or we can write very good profits. So it again depends on everyone's personality, what type of target he want to uh, take from the market. Again there are few uh, points which we need to consider, like the angle between the two moving average is very important. It will denote the strength of the trend. Like if the 21 period moving average is going away from the 34 period moving average, and it is both are sloping downwards, then it is a strong momentum. We can say that market can go down with a strong momentum. Now on the same strategy, this is the video I have recorded today. Previous was recorded yesterday. So I have merged both of the videos to show you how it works in the real market. So this strategy I have used today also. As you can see, the trend is clear. The trend was clear in downtrend, and we are getting multiple rejections from the 21 and 34 period moving average zone, and the band is getting wider. So you can see the 21 period moving average is going away from 34 period moving average. So it is showing that the bearish or downtrend is getting stronger. This was the candle which I have shown you in the previous video. This was our first trade before 2 days, and I have marked this candle. We have taken the entry at once the low of that candle breaches. As you know, I have discussed this in previous video also. This is the second day. We have entered short again here. When low of that candle breaches, we have entered short in the Bank Nifty here. So this was discussed in the previous video. Now coming to the today's move, as you can see, whenever low of the candle breach, we are getting very good downfall, at least in last 2 days. Now this is the today's candle. Market open comes in the resistance zone, which is the band of 21 and 34 period moving average, exponential moving average, and I have taken short entry here. I have updated the same in the Nifty BN Telegram group also, and my first target was the previous swing low, and my second target was the support line on hourly chart. I will show you later. This was my first target, previous swing low. I have exited most of my positions here, and after that you can see the market has gone into range. It has consolidated for few time. This was the second Greystone Doji or shooting star like candle. So if someone wants to ride the trade fully, then he can trail the stop loss from initial level to the second that Greystone Doji candle, and after, so as you can see, after a good range formation for about 1 hour, it has again given the breakdown, which is obvious because the major trend was downtrend, and whenever there is a range formation, mostly price goes in favor of the major trend. So I have posted this chart also in the group when the Bank Nifty goes into consolidation phase and it was forming a narrow range, and again short entry could have been taken when the big red candle which is closed out of that rectangle box, but this can be a risky entry because we are near the closing of our market, and I never take trade after 2 or 2:30 p.m. for intraday particularly. So this is a hourly chart, and I have marked here two levels uh, which could have acted as a support because there was a gap, and I thought that market can take some rest here or take a small dead cat bounce. So now again market has formed the last 15-minute candle, which is classic shooting star candle, and we'll have to watch it tomorrow. If we break low of that candle, I assume that market may fall further.
Thank you for watching. Please post any questions you have in the comment section. Also, do not forget to like and share the video and subscribe to the channel. To find us on Twitter, Telegram and Facebook, use the username NiftyBN. Also, we post some of our trades to the community tab. So do not forget to check that from time to time.